Hi guys, welcome. With this tutorial, we are going to talk about the file reader, which use the file system API to resemble to the APIs. Anyway, we will just will not talk a lot about file system API. We will just talk how to read files inside our how to upload to make your client upload files inside your web page and how to read it, etc., etc. So coming to the code, first thing I want to show you is how to see if the file reader is enabled in your browser. Uh, Okay, so one thing I want to say about the file reader, I want to say that has been implemented after the HTML5 uh, after with HTML5 before it wasn't released. Anyway, we are going to create. We're going to create a variable message equal to document dot get element by id message, and now I will just stop and finish. Okay, so here I wrote let message that I grabbed the div if Windows 5 reader message up and running, else no file reader. Very simple. So if Windows file reader is true, it will say up and running. Let's just see if it works. Of course it works. Up and running. If it doesn't work, you should update your browser or or use another one. Chrome and Firefox generally works, so it shouldn't be a problem with them. How to upload files? Let's come into the real picture. Uploading files is simple. You just need to use an input of type, input is self-closing, input of type file. So input type file, then we add it on change upload anyway. Okay, so input type file does more or less the magic. Anyway, we have added an event listener, an event on change upload file this dot file. Then we have a div just to display a message on the JavaScript. We grab this div function upload files. It will log out the console the file inside our logs, and it will display in the screen the name of the file, just so that the user can understand that they actually completed the action. So we can come here. There is just a button. Okay, the text is in Italian. It says choose file, no file chosen. Anyway, you can come here and it will open your desktop file, your file system. You can grab one. Now I have attached the file. If you come here and examine, we have a file here, and as you can see, we have the file is an object that has different features: last modified in timestamp, the date, the date was modified, the name, the size, type, and nothing else, more or less. So this is it about how to upload files. We can give the user the possibility to upload multiple files. We need to put the multiple op no oops we need to put the multiple option here, which will allow us to allow them to put multiple files inside. And then we have to change the logic here. I'm going to put a for loop. Let e equal to 0, e minor than files.length, e minor than file.length, e plus plus. Now it will keep giving me errors. Okay. Then other than message dot inner text, I will use message dot inner HTML plus equal files at the index of e dot name plus line break. Okay, script. I put a comma and not a semicolon here. So this is the logic that I wanted to show you, how to upload multiple files. Another thing that can be interesting is a special JavaScript object that is suitable for reading files. Is called FileReader. We will just I will just work on the same code. So here we will use another function which is upload and read. We will call it upload and read file this.files div.id.message, and then the function will first I will rename it. Then let's remove this, and I'm going to declare new file reader. So as you see, is an object fr onload equal to function. We will pass an a as parameter, and message dot inner HTML equal to a dot target dot result. Okay, so we are the inner HTML message, so here will be as the result of e.target, which is the file we are going to upload. Last fr dot, we are going to use the function read as text, assuming that this is a text file, but actually you could place any kind of files, but not all files will make sense. So we are just assuming that the client will put a text file in this case. Okay, so now let's go on the live server. I will just re-upload this. It will probably create a mess. Boom. Vabbè, of course the output is I don't know, a disaster. Anyway, it was just to show that you can use this file reader object to read files, like in this case it was a PDF, it could be text or JSON or XML. Anyway, it gets more complicated if you really want to make it work practically, but I think this is enough to show three basic functionality of the file system API. Next video, I will show the geolocation and something about the geolocation. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.